In today's video, we'll show you how to modify and cancel pending orders on MatchTrader. Let's quickly place a pending order first. Select the instrument you want to trade and click on New Order right here. The Market tab is used for placing trades at market execution. Switch to the Pending Order tab for pending orders. Adjust the lot size, then set the price at which you want to place the pending order. You can also set stop loss or take profit using the plus icons. Once everything is set, just click on the type of pending order you want to place. Let's go with a sell limit. Now, let's modify it. You can adjust the price of the pending order directly from the chart. Right here is the order line. Just drag and drop it to the desired price, and the order will be updated with the new price. Alternatively, go to the Pending Orders tab at the bottom of the platform. Here you'll see all your open pending orders. To modify the price, click on the Edit icon right here, adjust the price as needed, and click Save. To set a stop loss or take profit, click the respective plus icon, adjust the price, and hit Save. To cancel an order, just click on the cross icon next to the trade. And that's it. That's everything about modifying and canceling pending orders on MatchTrader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.